Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are going back in time, 19th century. We're making some Victorian lace. Victorian lace was very, very popular when it first came out because it was one of the first textiles that was made by machine. And it used to be that it had to be made by hand. And since then this era was the first time that it was made by machine, it became readily available, and they put lace on everything. And that's why it was so very popular. And it had so many really beautiful styles, and I wanted to see if we could make something like that on a cake. So let's get started. I frosted an 8-inch cake dummy with turquoise vegan American buttercream. I put some white buttercream in a piping bag with a small round tip and piped the whole cake with this one piping bag. I piped a pearl border along the bottom of the cake. Then I pressed some flower cutters into the buttercream as well as some leaf cutters. This will be the basis of the lace, so I wanted the pattern to be evenly spaced. Then I followed the lines with the white buttercream. I also added some small details like dots in the center of the flowers and lines on the leaves. Then, once I had finished the lines already there, I tapped down the points. But lace must be connected to itself or it will fall apart, so I'm adding lines between each of the elements, connecting them to each other to give it more of a lace look. I really like the look of this cake. It's simple and relatively easy, but it's still stylized and lovely. I could have done about 100 different designs to make Victorian lace, but this is the one I chose today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakerin.germany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.